For problem number 2, we've got a lot going on, but I do notice there's no zero exponents, which is normally what I do first, and then there's no parentheses, which is normally what I do second. So now what I want to do is I want to do the product and or the quotient rule. It's up to you what you do first. I think since there's so much going on in the top, we should simplify the top using the product rule first and then deal with the bottom. So if I just look at the top, remember we're doing like terms, so 2 and 3, and since these are just coefficients, we just multiply. Then there's an x here, but there's no x's over here, so I don't really have to do anything. I could just bring the x over with me. But then the y's, I do want to multiply the y's, but that means I add the exponents, so I get y to the 6th. Then the bottom stays the same. So you see, like, just by doing the product rule at the top, I've taken this and simplified it quite a bit. And so that'll be super helpful for us to finish out the problem. So now I can use the quotient rule, and again, similar to the product, we're just doing like terms. So I like to kind of put a circle around all my like terms. And the quotient rule we're dividing. So 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. Then exponents we're subtracting. So 1 minus 2 gives me x to the negative 1. And for our y's, 6 minus 4 gives me 2. Now this is almost done, but if you notice we have a negative exponent that we want to move to the bottom. So we have 2 stays on top, y squared stays on top, but x to the first moves to the bottom. And you can either leave it as x to the first or just x. And that should be your answer.